So I get asked this all the time. What are the best email marketing service providers for e-commerce? Email has certainly evolved over time, but the one thing that hasn't changed is that this channel is at the core of every e-commerce business. From basic newsletter blasting and automations to more advanced AI-powered marketing and personalization, email marketing has been the core. Seriously. All right, the best email service providers for small business. So maybe you've just started out, maybe you're on Shopify and you're looking for something that does the trick, but you need to keep your app costs low and you need to keep it really simple. As a small business, you're gonna need a tool that provides contact management, strong email editor, and some automated responses to keep you in touch with your growing database. Also, there are dozens of email service providers for startups and small businesses, but we want to focus on these 4 points that we think are the most important. Easy interface for first-time users and novice players. Built-in templates geared towards e-commerce, like abandoned cart sequences. Seamless integration with your e-commerce platform so that you have the information on hand. And easy integration to collect those email addresses. Between wearing the email marketing hat, you're also juggling logistics, customer service, and supply chain management. I know the problem, so let's just keep it simple. We're opting for a tool here that can be easily set up within a few hours with as little distraction as possible. 3 of my maybe favorite starting email service providers that you may want to check out are Seguno, MailChimp, and Sendlane. The best providers for scale businesses. As your business scales, your email marketing list is growing, your data will understandably become a little bit more complex, and you're going to want to start segmenting, perhaps doing advanced automation and rules that smaller providers aren't able to provide for you. And by smaller, I mean more bottom of market providers. Opting for a platform that provides powerful segmentation will be key here, as you'll begin to build unique newsletters and automations based on your audience and behavioral data. Here's some key features to look for when you're choosing the best scale email service provider. First, you're going to need a migration service from your existing email service provider in order to transfer from one to the other without losing things like tag data and maybe even email open and response data and stuff like that. You're going to look for dynamic and advanced segmentation capability, perhaps based on revenue spent with the store or some unique product that they purchased, things along those lines. You're probably going to want omni-channel marketing integrations in there as well, and perhaps some form of a predictive analytics or advanced reporting tools to understand how much revenue you might be able to look forward and predict this channel will generate you. Although there are a variety of tools that can help you scale your email marketing, here are some of my suggestions. We have Klaviyo, Drip, OmniSend, CMCommerce, and AI Trillion. Best email marketing for mid-market and enterprise. So if you're in the mid-market, maybe let's say 10 million range plus in revenue, maybe even a little bit lower than that, and you've outgrown your existing email service provider, these tools might be right for you. You're going to have some unique problems for larger size businesses. Your data might be in a lot of different places. You need to aggregate it into one spot so that you can understand that customer journey a little bit better. You typically need a little bit stronger communication between your operations and marketing because operations needs to fulfill on what marketing has promised. And you'll also need a tool that really has advanced segmentation, hopefully some artificial intelligence, machine learning components, and predictive analytics are pretty much now a must as we start to gather data across multiple channels and try to have cohesive strategies to predicting supply chain management and marketing and operations all at once. Some of the key features that you should look out for are dynamic content and personalization, advanced reporting and insights, maybe even plugging into advanced third-party tools. A/B testing is going to be super important at this point, and omni-channel is a must. There are many enterprise competitors that offer the data and support for mid-market and enterprise businesses, but here are 4 that I'd like to mention for you today. Dynamic Yield, Sticky.io, and Inalito, and Vue, that's VUE. That's it for me. I really hope you enjoyed this roundup on some of the best email marketing tools. You can take a look at the full article and a little bit deeper comparison on how those tools might work best for your business in the article that should be linked somewhere around here. That's it for me. I'm Derek Haney. If you have any questions about email marketing, how it fits into the rest of your tool stack, don't hesitate to reach out, and I will see you next time.